YouTube, what's up? It's your girl Living It, and I'm back with another video. Today is episode 8 of my hair series I've been doing on YouTube. I've been slacking, but we back at it. If this is your first time on my YouTube channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I highlighted my hair. I highlighted this wig. It was an old wig that I got from Nadula. So if you want to see how my wig came out, just make sure you continue to watch this video. Also, if you're not already following me on social media, make sure you follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and TikTok. Those are the only social media I got. And let's get into the video. So in today's video, I already parted out my hair in sections at the back. The parts that you see braided is the parts that I didn't want to bleach. And then, of course, the parts that you see are that's loose is the parts that I'm bleaching. So I use 50 developer and 40 developer. Those are the only two I used. And I just did one section 50, one section 40, one section 50, one section 40. And I just kept going. And then I also use foil to wrap the hair up. And once I get to the front, you're going to see how I parted my sections. I had already pre-parted my sections because I knew it was going to take a minute with the way I wanted my hair to be highlighted. So once we get to the front, y'all going to see how I did the part. And I just literally went in with the bleach, made sure I saturate the bleach really good in the hair. Wrapped it with foil, and I let this wig sit. I ain't gonna lie, I let this wig sit for about 45 minutes bleaching. And then I washed it out, I blow dried it, and it came out, y'all, it came out exactly how I wanted. My highlights look exactly how I wanted. So I'm just gonna let y'all continue to watch the video. I did style it in this video as well, so make sure you stay tuned for that. And I'm gonna just let y'all watch this video because I'm bad at trying to explain how to do hair. I'm just better at showing. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And follow me on my social media. And I'm going to see y'all in the next video.